Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful AI image generators out there. You've probably heard its name over and over, and it's the one that all other AIs are compared to, Sora, from the creators at OpenAI. Welcome back to another tutorial here on the Desire channel. I want you to join me today as I introduce you to an incredible AI tool we can use for creating images. Go ahead and smash that like button, and let's get right into it. First, let's search for Sora AI on Google. The very first result, the one from OpenAI, is the one we want. Let's click on it and head into the site. In the top right corner, click on Login and then select the Sora option. Once we're logged in with our account, we land on this page. Here, you can see images and videos that have been created with this AI tool. I'll just scroll down so you can see them all. What's really cool is that we can click on any of these images to see what prompt was used to create it. And we can even copy that prompt right from here. Now, over on the left side, if we click on the Image option, you can see all the images made with this tool. Down here, we can choose between video or image. To create videos, you do need to buy a subscription. For now, I'm just going to stick with images, so I'll select the Image option. From this section, we can pick the size of the image we want to create. I'm going to choose the 3:2 ratio, which is a nice wide format. Here, we can choose how many images we want it to generate. I'll just leave it at 1 for now. And from this section, you can select presets, but I'm not going to touch this part. I prefer to write what I want directly into my own prompt. This is where we write our prompt. I've already written one, so I'm just going to paste it in. I've written, Sydney Sweeney and Ana de Armas playing chess, cinematic and dark theme. As you can see, you can use this prompt too. I'll pin it in the comments below. Now, I'll hit the Generate button and wait for our image to be created. It usually takes about 10 to 20 seconds, so just hang tight and let's see what amazing image it comes up with. And there we go. As you can see, Sora has created a beautiful image for us. The characters look exactly like their real-life counterparts. It's incredibly accurate. This is a truly stunning image. Just look at the background theme, how realistic the candles feel. Okay, now I'm going to head over to ChatGPT for some help. From the same OpenAI site, I'll log into ChatGPT from here. I'm going to ask it to write a prompt for me. My request is a prompt where Emma Watson and Timothée Chalamet are standing and looking at each other. The theme should be cinematic and similar to the movie Dune. After writing my request, I'll hit Generate and let it write the prompt for me. Alright, it's written the prompt. I'm going to copy it and head back over to Sora. I'll paste the new prompt here. I'll leave the settings exactly the same as last time, and click Generate. And our image is ready. Let's click on it to get a better look. As you can see, the characters look completely real, and the poster has that perfect cinematic, Dune-like feel with that beautiful color theme. It's amazing how beautifully and realistically it created the characters. Now, I want to try one more prompt to see how it handles a different theme. Back to ChatGPT we go. This time, I'm going to ask it for a prompt where Ana de Armas is holding a gun. The theme is dark and looks like a John Wick movie poster, and it writes the word ballerina in the bottom left corner. I'll hit Generate, and once the prompt is ready, I'll copy it and take it back to Sora. I'll paste the prompt right here and click Generate. Whoa, what a stunning image! It looks exactly like a John Wick movie poster, with the exact same vibe and color scheme. And the text I wanted is written right here in the corner. Perfect. Alright everyone, I really hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Until the next video, take care of yourselves. Goodbye, everyone.